You know, Raz, you love it every second of it. It's one of the ones that halfway through you're like, is it stopping yet?
It goes on for ages, doesn't it? No, I agree. Air is brilliant. You just enjoy the whole lot. You go, oh, it's great. It's not scary.
I mean, how much time?
I don't want any loud ones. I like to be quiet by the way. Who's thinking about bonfire?
Yeah.
Who's thinking about bonfire?
No, we were there. I think we did say you could do that.
I don't like that one. Just scared of panto but I didn't set rockets off when I was a kid.
Another knock. And then when we get to
Maybe two again. Alright, so it's it.
It's absolutely brilliant on this day. They were expecting like 15,000 people. It rained and they only got like 5. It goes round on that, and it normally goes round twice, or maybe 3 times. When it gets round, the guys are going, everybody, yeah, and then it goes round again and like again.
I went, you know the street down to that is big. It's like just about a seat and 2 hours.
And everyone just watching it. I don't even know what everyone's watching this shoot. They want to be on display.
In Scarborough, we went on one, and they had like, I'm going to quite big, they had like a big fucking hair one. We sat in them, and they've got this bar that goes over here, and the black rubber thing all the way around, but it went on this way.